Her to help them this once.
But only this once.
I knew you guys had come through!
Hi! Yoo-hoo! Anyone home?
I can't believe they're back.
Huh? Hello there!
We brought a little peace offering.
We've turned over a new leaf and we want to help you as fellow Team Rocket members should.
And to prove there are no hard feelings, we brought you something that might come in handy.
What do you think?
I think we could use the Pokeballs. So, what brought about this sudden change of heart?
Oh, we decided we'd like to...